CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria registration. So this is a new account I just created some few hours ago, yesterday, to test run with this. So I just created a page in this other account. Just give the page any name. So this is a Meta Business Suite, which is where we are going to start up. So this is the page I created, the end business. So this is the page. So the first step is to create what we refer to as a business portfolio. So remember, this is a Meta Business Suite. So you just type Meta Business Suite on Google. Whether if you're using your phone, you have to put your phone on desktop or side using your Chrome. Then if you're using Safari, if you're using iPhone, you can use Safari. But if you're using your laptop, you can use your Chrome or any browser. So I'll click on create a business portfolio. So I'll just put any name of my choice here. So let me start with let me put any name like Naira business. So I'll just put the name of my account here. So the first name, this one. So I start up. I put an email of my choice, business email of my choice. So I'll be making use of this email address, which is jnr@gmail.com. So that's the email address I want to make use of. Yours will receive a mail on that account. So click on create. So let me change the business name. Let me put Jason Stores. So I'll add this page, the DM business. So I'll click here and add this page next. So I don't want to add any email address apart from this is my primary email address. I don't want to add any email address for people. But if you're an advertiser and you're working for a company and you're trying to create this while making use of the company email address or something like that, you should be able to add your email address here and then to add it to full control so that you can be able to access the business account from your own side without having to log in through the company's email, something like that. So I'll just click on next. I'll click on confirm. Okay, so I'll click on confirm, but then email was sent here, so I'll just have to refresh my email. Then I'll go on social. Then you can see this was just sent 11:10 a.m. So it was all sent now. So I will have to confirm my email address, because if I can't confirm my email address, I can't be able to run advance. I can be able to create prepaid account, but I cannot be able to run advert. So this is what I will to know that the email address is confirmed. So this is how the email address will appear here. But if it's not confirmed, what you'll be seeing here is verify email. So far this email address is verified. I can also see that if I go to pages, I'll see this DDM business that I created owned by Jason Stores. So I'll go over to the next step, which is to create ad account. I want to create a prepaid ad account, so I'll click on add. So I'll click on create a new ad account. So I'll just use any name of my choice. So I'll use GNRO. Then because we are living in Nigeria, I have to select Lagos. So see GMT plus 01 Africa Lagos. So select Naira. Make sure you select Naira, because if you select dollar, it will take you to another thing. So select Naira. So I'll click on create ad account. So would you like to add payment info for your ad account? No, this is not where I will add the payment info. So I'll click on done, because if I add payment info here at this stage, this account will be altered and the account will be useless. So I'll have to click done. So as you can see, I have GNR ad account. So what I will do is I'll have to go to ads manager. You know, there is ads manager for Google Ads. There's also ads manager for TikTok, but this is Facebook. So I'll go to ads manager for Facebook. This is where this is one of the most important step. Should I say the most important step? Because once you're able to create this prepaid ad account, and this is a new account, so I've not used it to run ads before, so I'll have to verify it for ads first. So I'll click on accept. I accept the agreement. Then I'll have to add payment method. Remember, this is the ad account. Jason Stores has one ad account. Then this is the Facebook account I created. The Facebook account I created has an ad account under it, which is what we call personal ad account. It is not advisable to make use of your personal ad account to run ads, because once the personal ad account is restricted, the account the account is automatically gone in cases of permanent restriction. But in cases of temporary restriction, it can still be. But once this business ad account is restricted, I can be able to create a business portfolio again and create another new ad account and continue. So this is the most important step. So I'll click on add payment method. So this is Nigeria, Naira, Lagos. So I'll click on next. So this is the most important option. Never you select this first one, debit or credit card. Don't select this first one. So always go with pay in Naira with Visa / Mastercard. So this is the one as well. Although some people do pay using bank transfer, you can transfer from your OPay, any bank at all. But for the first time, setting the account for the first time, this is the one I always tend to click on, so that it will change. We don't have any VAT ID currently, but maybe from next year when we start paying tax, we'll have VAT ID. So I just click on next. If you have Visa or Mastercard, if your debit card is Visa or Mastercard, so once I click on next, so you just input. What we use is debit card and not credit card. So I just put my full name, put the card number, put the expiry date, put the security code. code and pay with a card. What we use is debit card and not this thing. But I don't want to make any payments now, so I just want to set it up. So let me refresh. Once I refresh, this add payment method will switch to add phones. So before you run ads, you need to add a phone number to your account. So I'll have to verify the phone number before I'll be able to run out, but that's not a problem. I'll verify that one. So let me switch over to the ad account that we created. This is the ad account that we created. So I want to set up the business ad account that we created. So I'll have to add payment method for the business ad account. The same thing I did for the personal ad account. This is what I will do for the. Ever there are some of my clients that when they want to add money to the account, they make the mistake of choosing their personal ad account, especially for people that are running Instagram ads. They make the mistake of choosing their personal ad account to add for instead of using the business ad account that is connected to the Instagram account. The next video I will do will be a video on how to connect the business prepaid ad account to your Facebook account to your Instagram, so that you can be able to run ads using the business prepaid ad account on your Instagram account. Instagram allows payment if you're in Nigeria and you want to run Instagram as account, you must be able to have a prepaid ad account also, which is created from your Facebook account, added or connected to your Instagram account, because uh, Instagram only if you're using Instagram app, it only allows you to pay using dollar cards, and this is because of the CBN restriction. Although some Nigerian cards have started making international transactions, but a good number of the cards have not yet started. I saw that GT Bank card has also started making transactions, international transactions. So, and dollar is expensive. We all know dollar rate is high, and some people also do not have access uh, to dollar cards. And there are some fintech platforms or that use pay sometimes, but cheaper cash is very very expensive. So this is for the business account. So I'll have to verify a number so that I can be able to. I'll select my country code, Nigeria. So this is our country code. So I want to receive this message via WhatsApp. So I'll be sending the message on WhatsApp. So I'll have to check my phone. So I've been able to confirm it, and I've added the payment method, I've verified the email address, I've verified phone number, so I can be able to run ads on this. So what I'll do is I'll go to Facebook, then I'll switch over to, although I don't have any post on this account. I don't have any post on this account, but then, for example, if I want to run advert on this account, making use of the business suite, if I have any post on this account, most of the posts that have been showing here. But let me see if I can be able to create a post or something. Let me create a post so that I can be able to. I don't really have images on this laptop, so I just go with. Although we don't make use of screenshot images to run ad or to run advert on Facebook, because it will lead to restrictions. So I just add anything of my choice. I would have added a photo if I use my phone to make. There are lots of images on my phone. So, for example, if we want to make use of this method that everybody knows, boost post, which is not advisable for as a professional to make use of, this is what. Also, I just clicked on boost post on that little post that I made. So this is the account, and this is the, as you can see, this is the personal ad account. That this Facebook account, once you create a Facebook ad account and you create a page, you have a personal ad account that's automatically given to you, which some people are that, but it's not advisable to make use of it to run ads. So once I click here, this is the business prepaid ad account that I created. So to take me to a new, so this is the business ad account that I created. So once you scroll down, this is the budget, the duration, the list amount. What I'm seeing here is ad funds, that's 0.00 naira. But if it was this first option that I choose, if it was this first option, debit or credit card, that I choose, what I was seeing is input your debit or credit card. I will not be seeing ad funds. So I can decide to pay in Naira with Visa slash Mastercard. I normally use this. I prefer using this, or I can decide to pay with bank transfer. Some of my clients prefer using this. Any one of your choice can go. Anyone that you choose between these two can go. Pay in Naira and pay by bank transfer. I don't usually advise paying by USD because of this is a transaction, and some of our banks are not really that efficient in cases of where there are network issues or all these things that you have to reconcile. So whenever you try using this first option, debit or credit card, the day you decide to make use of this option, that day this other account has been altered, and it will require you to verify your debit card, which you have to input a dollar card to verify it. We also do that service for people that made that mistake to correct their account. So that's all. If but because I don't have any post in this account, I will say let me test one with 100 naira. Let me see how it goes. So everyone can see how it goes. This is a video on how to create a business prepared account for your Facebook or Instagram ads. The next video will be on how to connect this business preparer account that we created to your Instagram page, your business Instagram page, so that you can be able to run ads on your Instagram. For people that use iPhone, you know that you can, if you want to run ads on your Instagram using the Instagram app, because of Apple bills and all that, the amount is so much exaggerated. So it's advisable that you either download Meta Ads Manager or you download Meta Business Suite on your phone. That's everything on how to create it. Thank you.